a humanoid robot company, just made its stock market debut and gained 460% in a single day, valuing it at $50 billion. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Saturday, August 22nd, 2026. In robotics news today, Unitree just pulled off one of the most jaw-dropping IPO debuts of the year. The Chinese humanoid robot maker hit the Shanghai Stock Exchange and rocketed 460% on day one, briefly soaring 630% before settling. Its share price jumped from 150.8 yuan to 845 yuan, landing Unitree a $50 billion valuation. This is a profitable company, not a moonshot startup. The market is pricing in a robotics supercycle. Also in robotics, a San Francisco startup called Nori Robotics just launched a humanoid home robot for $1,688. That's not a typo. The Nori A3 is American assembled and starts shipping this fall. Most humanoid robots carry six-figure price tags. This one costs less than a used car. Founder Antonio Lee is clearly betting that price is the biggest barrier to mass adoption, and he might be right. Also from Unitree, yes, them again, their new humanoid robot nicknamed Superman just outran Usain Bolt. The robot hit 12.66 meters per second during testing, beating Bolt's all-time record of 12.42. It also reportedly cleared a 2-meter vertical jump. This is the same company that just IPO'd at a $50 billion valuation. They're not just raising money, they're setting performance benchmarks that redefine what a robot body can do. In tech news, Uber and Zipline just announced a major partnership to scale drone delivery through Uber Eats. Their target? 1 million drone deliveries per day across the US by the end of 2029. That's not a pilot program, that's a full infrastructure play. Zipline already has a proven track record delivering medical supplies globally. Pairing that with Uber's logistics network is the kind of combination that actually makes a moonshot feel credible. In robotics AI news, a startup called Generalist AI just released Gen 1.5, a model that teaches robots new physical tasks from a single short demo. We're talking 3 to 12 seconds of footage. The robot watches once and tries it, hitting a 59% first attempt success rate. It can also adapt with as few as 1 to 10 gradient steps. One-shot physical learning at this performance level is a genuine research milestone and a big step toward robots that actually generalize. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about Unitree's $50 billion IPO valuation in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.